Example 4. I want to solve x plus 4 over x minus 3 equaling x minus 6 over x plus 1. So first note that our excluded values are going to be 3 and negative 1. So then I need to take my equation and multiply both sides by the LCD. So in this case my LCD is x minus 3 times x plus 1. So I'll multiply both sides by x minus 3 times x plus 1. So then I'll cancel whatever I can cancel. And I end up with x plus 1 times x plus 4 equaling x minus 6 times x minus 3. I then need to FOIL both sides, so I'd end up with x squared plus 5x plus 4 equaling x squared minus 9x plus 18. Since they're both quadratics, I'll have to set my equations equal to 0. But when I subtract the x squared from both sides, I end up with 5x plus 4 equaling negative 9x plus 18, which is a linear equation. So let me rewrite that really quick. I have 5x plus 4 equaling negative 9x plus 18. Then when I want to solve this, I'll add 9x to both sides, giving me 14x. I'll also subtract 4 from both sides, giving me 14. So when I divide both sides by 14, I get x equaling 1. So recall that our excluded values were 3 and negative 1. Since 1 is not an excluded value, the solution is 1. Example 5, I want to solve x over x minus 5 plus 2 over x minus 6 equaling 2 over, and I need to factor this denominator, so it will be x minus 5 times x minus 6. So now I can figure out what my excluded values are. X can't be 5 and x also can't be 6. My least common denominator is x minus 5 times x minus 6, so I'll multiply both sides by x minus 5 times x minus 6. So I can cancel whatever I can cancel on the right, but on the left I'm going to have x over x minus 5 times x minus 5 times x minus 6 over 1 plus 2 over x minus 6 times x minus 5 over x minus 6 over 1, all of that equal to 2. Then I'll continue canceling. I'd end up with x times x minus 6 plus 2 times x minus 5 equaling 2. I'll distribute through, so I end up with x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 10 equaling 2. I'll combine like terms, so I have x squared minus 4x minus 10 equaling 2. So then I need to set this equal to 0 because it's a quadratic equation. So when I set it equal to 0, I end up with x squared minus 4x minus 12 equaling 0. So this just so happens to be factorable. When I factor it, I end up with x minus 6 and x plus 2. So I have x minus 6 equaling 0 and x plus 2 equaling 0. So I end up with x equaling 6 and x equaling negative 2. So our excluded values were 5 and 6. So since 6 is an excluded value, it is not a solution. The only solution is negative 2.